Imagine a world where the lines between human intelligence and digital power have finally blurred. It is 2026, and the landscape of wealth is shifting beneath our feet. Across North America, a silent revolution is underway, transforming how we work and earn. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic dream. It is a tool for the everyday person. Building digital income streams has never been more accessible or more powerful. People just like you are leveraging these algorithms to reclaim their time and their freedom. But how are they doing it? What are the secret tools behind the screen? Today, we peel back the curtain on the AI tools that are making money right now. Tools that are beginner-friendly and ready for you to start using today. Welcome to AIXillion. Let's look at our first game changer.
Welcome back to AIXillion. Today, we bridge the gap between imagination and income. First, Midjourney. This isn't just an art tool. It's a digital asset powerhouse. It transforms simple prompts into high-end visuals. Creators in cities like New York are dominating Etsy with unique art prints. High profit margins, zero physical inventory, pure automation. But the revolution doesn't stop with static images. It's time to meet HeyGen. Scale your reach with AI-driven video. No studio, no camera crew, just premium results at the click of a button. In Vancouver, entrepreneurs are launching automated agencies, providing video ads for realtors. Speed is your new competitive advantage. Automation is the key. Speed is your weapon. And low startup costs mean anyone can begin this journey today. The future isn't just coming, it's here. It's time to claim your share. I'm Jewel, and this is AIXillion. Start today.
The world of business is changing. AI automation isn't just a buzzword. It's the foundation of the next generation of wealth. Passive income with AI means using intelligent tools to do the heavy lifting for you, 24/7, without the traditional overhead. From automating content creation to instant high-end design, tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are transforming how we provide value. It starts with a single step. Pick a niche, choose your AI partner, and build a service that runs while you sleep. Imagine an automated agency or a faceless YouTube channel. These are no longer dreams, but accessible realities for beginners. The tools are here, and the opportunity is yours. It's time to build a future that works for you. Explore the world of AI automation with us. Subscribe to AIXillion for step-by-step